Hi there everyone, today marks the beginning of an epic journey. Guess what? I'm about to dive into the world of AI with my new iPhone Sidekick ChatGPT, a beginner's guide, and you're all invited to follow along. Okay, the first thing you'll need to install on your iPhone is the free official OpenAI ChatGPT app from the App Store by using the query OpenAI ChatGPT official. Create an account on the ChatGPT app or use any of the following email servers. Welcome, you've just entered the world of AI. Yes, it's that easy. Next, let's look at some basic settings and options for the ChatGPT iOS app. Tap on the navigation bars here, then on your username. Tap on data control to clear or export your ChatGPT history or delete your account. Tap on voice, choose a voice type that you would like ChatGPT to use and confirm.
Hi there, I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So what's the game plan?
Hello, I'm really excited about teaming up with you and I'm all set to dive in. So how can I make your life easier?
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
Hey there, I've got a really great feeling about us teaming up. How can I jump in and help?
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
Select language, color scheme, and feedback according to your liking, or sign out. Tap on the X symbol here when done. Swipe left to get started with your first chat with ChatGPT. Choose from some recommended ChatGPT examples shown, or enter your first chat message here. To create a new chat, tap on the notepad symbol here. To share, rename or delete any chat, simply swipe right and tap and hold down on the chat as shown. You can also communicate with ChatGPT via voice. Tap on the headphone here. Hello ChatGPT.
Hey there, how can I help you today?
Tell me a joke.
Sure, here's one for you. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. If you ever need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
It's like having a super smart friend who learns what you love. You have anything to say, ChatGPT?
Let's make AI an everyday adventure. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you like this vlog. Subscribe.